Are you a student? Then you must be spending hours and hours in completing your assignments, homework projects just for the sake of good grades. The traditional way of learning has converted us all into robots, whereas the world needs leaders. Well, no more. We are transitioning from unconventional learning to project-based symbiotic learning. Now you can convert all your work in any format. In the form of blogs, artwork projects and skill videos. Upload your work. Reach out to your audience. Monetize your content. Create your virtual portfolio easy to use and easy to manage. Analyze your performance with your competitors and improve accordingly. Connect and collaborate with students from all over the world. thesocialcomment.com, a student network.